Hi everyone, it's Jeanette here from the Sewing Studio with just a little bit more information about how to get prepared for our 2026 sew along. This year we're going to be doing a quillo, which is going to be made up of 12 star blocks for the front and then a 13th star block for the back. The overall size of the quilt is going to be 48 by 60, so we're going to be adding a couple little borders to those star blocks to make it a pretty decent size basically. Now, some of the additional information that I've put together for you includes a swatch page because we're going to be using lots of different fabrics. I've based this on 2 meters of fabric, or the equivalent of 8 fat quarters. Now, one thing just to bear in mind, of course, here in the UK, we're working with fat quarters that are based on 1/4 meter. So if you're working on US sized or yard sized fat quarters, there may be some little tweaks that you need to make to some of those, but I'll point those out where those appear in the blocks as we go along. So one of the things just to get sorted is your fabrics. Now, I've based mine on 8 fat quarters, as I said, but of course you could use 4 1/2 meters of fabric as well. That's perfectly fine. Or you might even want to go scrappier. That's perfectly okay. But I've based this on 8 different fabrics, and if you have a look at this little sheet here, what I've put together for you is a blank swatch page, and what I've done is glued just a little piece of each of the fabrics against the fabric number, so that as we're referring to those in the cutting instructions and also in the block assembly, you can be referring to those so you know where each fabric needs to be placed for your quilt. Now, the other thing I've done, just to make sure that everybody gets all the pieces they're going to need out of those 8 fat quarters, are some cutting diagrams. Now, once again, we are going to put a note on that to say that these are based on fat quarters that are sized 21 inches by 20. So once again, if you've got 18 inches of fabric this way, there will be a couple where it's quite close, or you actually go over the 18 inches a little bit more, but you should still have enough fabric there if you just alter the cutting a little bit. So we're also going to be providing that document for you so you can refer to that, as I said, to make sure you get all of your cuts. The other things you're going to need are going to be 12.5 inch ruler to square up your blocks. If it's bigger than 12.5 inches, that's absolutely fine. At home, I use a 15.5 inch one. It's just we need to be able to square to 12.5. A smaller, at least probably 6.5 ruler also will be useful, also for squaring up units when we're making our blocks. Our rotary cutters, of course, our cutting mat, and just what I call my general cutting ruler. So I use the 6.5 by 24.5, but that's so that we can just make those long cuts along our fat quarters, or 1/2 meters if you're using 1/2 meters. So they're just the 3 rulers I'm basing this on, so no specialist rulers. Also, for each block, we're going to take it one at a time. So if you're a beginner quilter or a new quilter, hopefully between all of the information we're going to give and the videos, you should be able to follow along. And of course, at any time, if you've got any questions, you can pop it down into the comments and we can make sure we answer those for you. So I think that's everything you need to know. So get yourself organised, go and get the additional documentation if you think you're going to need it. And hopefully you'll join us back here very soon for our 2026 Block of the Month.